how to run a profitable business. The main thing to remember when you are either loss-making just now and want to become profitable, or you have less profit than you would like, is that profit is a habit. It is something to be planned and worked out and moved towards and to be achieved. It is not something that just falls into your lap. You need to be strategic about running a profitable business. And what that means is looking at each area of your business and making sure that you have aligned it to profit. So looking at your expenses, for example, are they in alignment with where you need them to be? Are they in alignment with where your business is just now? And if you're not sure about that, have a look at one of my other videos on money leaks to be able to assess that. The other thing to look at is team. Is your team spending where it needs to be? Are your team revenue generating, or are they impacting the bottom line of your business profitably? Again, I have a video on this as well, so go and have a look at the team spending video. We also need to be really clear on our revenue generation and our revenue strategy and everything that's associated with that. So, for example, is the business model that you're currently using going to generate you profit? So are the products and programs and services that you're offering, are you offering all of those at a profitable level? Is that happening in your business, or are you not? That, again, it needs to be worked out. Are the services that you're offering, the programs or products that you're offering, are they actually delivering you a gross profit and delivering to the bottom line as well, a net profit? If they are not, if you're unable to operate any of your programs or services profitably, then the question is, why would you offer them at all? Because we don't want to be offering anything that is loss-making in our business. There's one tiny caveat to that. Sometimes there are businesses that have loss-making products or services. They are loss leaders, and they are basically putting people into other programs and services as a result, but that is quite an advanced strategy and probably not one as a small business that you want to be thinking about doing. It's about making sure that each single area of your business is aligned to profit, is aligned to producing profit, to generating profit, and to delivering profit in the business. And that is about strategy and planning. That is not about just bumbling along and getting the number that falls out in your profit and loss account at the end of the month or the end of the year. It's being really strategic with every single area of your business. And if you're not looking at every single area of your business in a strategic way, in a way that maximizes profit, in a way with a kind of profit hat or a profit switch turned on, then it is unlikely that you will be as profitable as you could be. And it may even mean that you're just loss-making because you're going along and what happens, happens, rather than being strategic about the profit and understanding every area of your business and how it is delivering you profit, how it is making a positive impact on the bottom line in your business. So if you are feeling like you are not as profitable as you should be, or you are currently loss-making, then the main thing that you need to do is assess every single area of your business. So every single product and service that you offer, is that profitable? Is that delivering you profit? Are you able to scale up those as well? So for example, let's say that you are currently running a one-to-one business model and but your revenue is not currently where you want it to be. You can take on more clients, you want to scale up, but the price point that you're currently doing that means that you will never reach the revenue level that you want to get to. It's just not possible. There's not enough hours in the day to serve that many clients. Then your business model is also stuck. So making sure that that is not only in alignment just now for profit, but as you grow and scale, it will also be. So if you need to bring on team members to deliver that service in the future rather than you, is it still going to be profitable? Keeping these things in mind as you're building your business, as you're growing your business. So not only is everything working now, is the strategy working now to deliver profitability, we also need to keep in mind with the vision that we have for our life and our business, is it also going to deliver in the future? So that's another nuance that you need to add on to when you're thinking about the strategy for profit in your business and you're looking at each of these individual areas. Not only is it working now, will it work as I grow and scale and reach the level of business that I want to reach? Is it still going to be in alignment? So that's your revenue, your products and services, that's your gross profit margin, that's your expenses. Where are they now? Where might they be? What do you need to look at there? It's your team. It's all the bits of the puzzle together. And once you start really getting clear on these numbers and assessing them and being really honest with yourself about the strategy that you want for your business, that is when you will start to be able to build profit in a way that you need to, and you'll be able to get the profit levels of your business that you want to achieve. So I really hope that you enjoy my videos. I would love if you want to subscribe to those. If you do, make sure you turn on the bell so that you know when I'm popping a new video up. My name is Annette Ferguson. I'm CEO of Annette & Co, UK-based accounting firm. I'm a chartered accountant and financial coach, and I help business owners take home lots more money for them and their families to enjoy. If you enjoy this, I would also love if you want to give it a screenshot, share it out on Instagram, and make sure you tag me in your post or your stories. I am at Annette_Fergs. I would love to connect with you there as well. So please do that. Anything that you want to ask me, any comments that you have, any love that you want to share, then please do so in the comments to this video. Give me some hearts and some thumbs as well. I would love to see you in the comments section. And I hope that has been useful for you today in thinking about how to run a profitable business, making sure that strategically you are set up to do that, making sure you are planning for profit, and making sure that it is something that you are going into with your eyes open. You're developing a habit around profit, and it is not an afterthought in your business. Take care, everyone.